Hi everyone, this is Olivia from BC Medical. Welcome to my channel. Today I will unbox our new 3-wheel mobility scooter. It's very light and unique. Let me show you.
Let's go!
This is the product I unboxing for you, and this is a very light and portable scooter. Now I'm teaching you how to assemble it.
Let's go!
Just pull out the red button and push the seat. You can let it down, and then click this button and let the control down. So this is folded.
Complete vehicle display go.
I can't stand that you might be in someone's bed with some that you just met all over you. You can't breathe.
And now I will show the details of the scooter. First, we can see the battery. The battery is lithium battery. It's very quickly removable, and just push this, you can lift it. And there are also a small click on it. If you go out, you can use a lock and lock the battery, so you don't worry if it can be stolen. And then I will show how to control the scooter. First, turn on the power, and you can control the scooter by turning the handle. Go forward and backward, and this is the screen will show the electricity. And then we can see the left. This is a home and the brake, and this is the back button. When you press this and then turn the handle, you can backward. If you are in the dark, you can turn the power twice, and this will light. You can see it's very easy light.
Let's hit the road together. Go.
And this is all of our content. If you are interested in our mobility scooter, you can follow our website, BC Medical. If you have any questions about it, you can leave your message under the video, and we will answer you at any time. Thanks for your time. See you next time. Bye bye.